friends, welcome to RD channel. In order to convert your images into Inkwork, you require an app called as Inkwork. You can get it from the App Store. It's a very beautiful app. So from the camera, just select the image that you want to go ahead with editing. Once you select it, it will auto-convert it. And the first one is the ink style, wherein there are different types of styling available, wherein you can change your images to different ink styles. The one I'm using is comic style. Second is the icon is your ink color. You can change the ink color to whatever color you want and the image will change. The third is the page color. You can also change the page color as and when you require. And the last one is the crop image, wherein you can just zoom in your photo and get the crop version of it so that you can convert to an ink image. So this is the last icon is your brush sizing and details. So more detail and the photo, if it is a close-up, it will slightly worsen the images. So just select carefully on whatever you want. And we are back and trying out some ink styles. So you have thin style, comic style. There are a variety of styles. Just look at the end of the video and I'll show you all the styles available which you can really enhance your photos beautifully. So then you can save the images. You can also ship them and to get the prints. However, it is for foreign countries, not for India. Once you save it, you can just check out in your camera roll. In the settings, you can also convert the images whether you want it in which format. Also, there is an option for geotagging. So it's a very beautiful app. Go ahead and download it. And thank you for watching RD channel.